Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. Today we will make an extremely popular Goan street food. Our recipe for today is Goan Beef Cutlet Pao. Step 1. Preparing the marinade. All the ingredients are mentioned on the screen. Add these ingredients in a mixer grinder. Half cup of coriander or cilantro leaves, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, quarter teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, 3 spicy green chilies cut into pieces, 1-inch stick of cinnamon, 6 cloves, 20 black peppercorns, 1-inch piece of ginger cut into pieces, 12 cloves of garlic cut into pieces, half teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera seeds, 2 tablespoons of water. Grind everything to a smooth paste. Your marinade is now ready. Step 2. Tenderizing and marinating the beef. You will need 500 grams or half kilo of boneless beef, which is cut into very thin slices. Tenderize the meat using a meat hammer. You can either use uppercut or undercut or any tender cut of meat. Do this for each and every meat slice. Once done, place all the meat slices in a bowl and add the ground paste and apply it nicely, ensuring all the pieces are properly marinated. Cover and keep them aside for at least half an hour or overnight in the refrigerator. Step 3. Preparing the salad. Cut the cabbage into 2 halves. Then remove the stem, which is hard. Cut the cabbage into thin strips. We will only use 1/4 of the cabbage. Once done, open up the cabbage pieces and put them in a bowl. Take 2 medium-sized onions and slice them long and fine. Once done, add them to the bowl along with the cabbage. Open up the onions also. Now take 3 medium-sized tomatoes. Remove the stem and seeds. Cut the tomatoes into thin strips and add them to the same bowl. Add quarter teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper powder, and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Mix everything properly. Your salad is ready. Step 4. Preparing the beef cutlets. In a plate, take 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs and 2 tablespoons of semolina or rava and mix it properly. Place the meat slices and coat both the sides completely. Once done, place them in a plate. Do the same for the remaining meat slices, which you are going to fry in the first round. It is best to fry 3 to 4 pieces at a time. The size of the pan will also need to be considered. On medium heat, in an open, thick bottom pan, add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, place the meat slices in the frying pan, one by one, slowly and carefully. Do not overcrowd the pan. Let it fry on one side for at least 3 to 4 minutes. Do not move it around at this stage or else the batter will come off. Then turn it over and fry it for another 3 to 4 minutes on the other side. Make sure the steak pieces are properly fried, but ensure that they do not burn or stick to the pan. Turn them over if you feel any side needs more frying and it is not completely done.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Once you see that the pieces are properly fried, remove them from the pan. This round of beef cutlets are ready. Fry the remaining meat slices similarly. Beef cutlets are ready. Step 5. Preparing the beef cutlet pao. We have used a local Goan bread called Poe. You can use any type of bread you like. Cut the bread and apply tomato sauce, and if you prefer it spicy, add some green or red hot sauce. You can even use leftover kafrial masala. Place the fried steak meat. If you have any questions or feedback, please write to us in the comment section. And top it up with some salad mixture. Serve the cutlet pao hot for maximum taste. Delicious beef cutlet pao is ready. Do let us know if you liked this video, and see you soon with another interesting recipe.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.